Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that can arise when working with asyncio task groups in Python. The problem we're focusing on involves how to detect within a task if it's being cancelled, especially when some cleanup needs to be done. This can get a bit tricky, as any raised error in one task can lead to cancellation of the rest of the tasks in the group. Let's dive into the solution to this interesting problem. In order to handle the task cancellation and perform cleanup within the task, we can use the concept of asyncio.CancelledError. By implementing a try except block in the task function and catching this specific error, we can execute the necessary cleanup code within the task. This ensures that the task is aware of its cancellation and can perform any required cleanup before terminating. Another approach to address the cleanup during cancellation is to pack the cleanup work into a collection for the caller to handle later. By setting up a structure to store potential cleanup tasks, we can defer the cleanup to a separate step after the task group logic has been executed. This design allows for more flexibility in handling cleanup operations and avoids potential issues with cleanup during task cancellation. To sum it up, detecting task cancellation and performing cleanup within asyncio task groups can be effectively managed by utilizing asyncio.CancelledError and structuring cleanup tasks for deferred handling. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure proper cleanup and handling of tasks within asyncio scenarios. So, next time you encounter such a situation, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle it smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.